Okay. Okay, now Tabera waters. This is the production. The pure water. Wow. Wow. This is the filter that filters the water. Is it alkaline? How is that called? Alkaline water. Okay, packaging. Package. How many are in a water? 20. 20 sachets. In the bag. Yeah. 20 sachets in the bag. And then what is the cost of the bag? That's this bag. Yeah, one bag. 20 of this. 300 naira. Yeah. Wow. That's wholesale price. Yeah. Come on, let's get that one. 400. Hey, that's very affordable. At least when you guys talk about Tinubu regime, there's something still very affordable.
It's not very affordable in Nigeria. It used to be 50 naira, 100 naira before. It's gone
now. Okay. Before now.
It's not affordable.
Hey.
We're managing.
Now then in a member. Waterproof. Okay. This is the packaging, the waterproof. And then how do you load this thing inside this machine? This is plastic. Okay. And they load it from the back. Okay. And this is the setting of the machine. Wow. Boy Chudi. Boy Chudi. AK. God is good. Okay. Oh, this is okay. This is how they load it. Wow. Loading of the plastic. Tabera. And then how do you manage?
Tabera is Tabera. Tabera is Tabera. Giving water. Yeah, God's own water. Giving water. Yes, running water. God's numbers 3. Yes, numbers 11.
Oh,
11.
Okay.
Verses 1 to 3. Giving water.
From Bible.
Yeah, from the Bible. Yes, giving water.
Water of life.
Water of life. Yeah. Yes, that's what I got the name from.
And how do you guys like electricity?
Yeah, no, we bought our solar.
Oh, solar. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
That's what we did.
Okay, solar in progress.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Tabera waters. Because where can we find Tabera waters?
And number 30 Osima Road.
On
the
town.
Yeah, that's the best one so far.
So this is season, festive period.
Yeah.
So Tabera water is loaded, ready for festive period. You know what I like?
Ready for distribution.
Everywhere is so clean.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's our signature.
Very
Neatness is our
clean.
signature.
Very green and very blue at the same time. Look at how clean this place is.
Yes.
There's no single. And we have a special shoes. Yeah.
That's nice.
Okay.
That's our production shoes.
Before you come into this factory, this
You
is
must wear your production shoes.
the blue shoes.
Yes, that's
Production shoes. So your street shoes are left outside. You come into the factory with this, and at the end of the day, they sterilize the shoes, clean them, and put them.
That's another machine there.
That's another machine there. Sorry.
Okay, hold it.
Okay,
This is another machine. Wow. Factory is clean. Yeah, MSC, right?
Yeah.
All done. Yeah, very nice.
If it's not Tabera, it's not going to Tabera.
Tabera all the way. This is AK, the manager of Tabera Water. Number 30. What is this? Oh, this is the solar.
Battery.
The battery is for the solar. Wow. Hey, when you guys, people hear about sachet water, they think it's moi moi. It's not moi moi. As a matter of fact, nothing in Nigeria
It's moi moi.
is moi moi. Look at the batteries for the solar. How many batteries? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 batteries. Big batteries for solar.
Look at the size.
Hey, look at the size of one.
Big batteries. And count 16 and counting.
Wow.
16 batteries and counting because there are others inside.
There are others inside. The last time I videoed the outside, this is really the production center. Hey, you see me, because they are busy. That are looking for businesses to do.
Yeah, thank you.
Wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Tabera Group. Tabera Group. Check out